Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, as we have done or we have discussed about that how we should clean our hands, what are the steps that we have to clean our hands, and about the how we can keep ourselves clean and our sense organs. After this, we have discussed that after taking the regular bath, after brushing the teeth, we should always wear the clean clothes. And later we have discussed that in spite of keeping ourselves clean and following all the ways, instead of that we fall sick, because it is also necessary to keep our surrounding clean. And for this, what we have to do while traveling, do not throw any wrapper, paper, or any dry waste on the road. Keep it in your bag or pocket. Okay. Next is keep paper bags with yourself to store wet waste and throw them in the dustbin only. Do not throw it here and there. Avoid spitting on the road, because if we spit there, what happens? That's not a good habit and we are not keeping our surrounding clean. Next is avoid use of plastic bags. Plastic bags are non-soluble, so they clog the drains and cause water logging. And instead of that, we can use paper or the jute bags. Sometimes what happen, if we throw these plastic bags like this, what happen? The stray animals like cow, they eat them and they leads to clogging in their digestive system and leads to death of these organisms, leads to death of these animals sometime. Next is spread awareness to keep our city clean. We have to spread awareness among the people so that they play a very important role in keeping our surrounding and our city clean. After this, plant trees that will beautify our surrounding as well as keep us healthy, and greener surrounding look beautiful and also reduce the pollution. And it also provide us clean and fresh air to breathe. Next, student, after this, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. So biodegradable waste are the waste that can be decomposed in a reasonable amount of time by the decomposers, and that increases the fertility of the soil. And it will include food residue, kitchen waste, manure, sewage, agriculture and forestry waste, that all known as biodegradable waste that can be decomposed by microorganisms into the simple form. Next is non-biodegradable waste are the waste that includes plastic products, metal products, construction waste and the electronic waste also, and that cannot be decomposed by the microorganism into the simpler form. So they are then thrown into the landfill. Later these landfills are used for making parks and all that. Okay. So student, next is about the ways to reduce non-biodegradable waste. Ways to reduce non-biodegradable waste. How we can reduce non-biodegradable waste? Because as we all know, that cannot be decomposed, so it's our duty to produce less non-biodegradable waste, because it is harmful for us and for our environment also. So reuse, first method is reuse. If it is possible, so reuse the things which are non-biodegradable, and if it is not of your use, so we can donate it to the someone who are in the need of these things, and by giving it to the charity or through website specifically for this purpose. Okay, so as a result of charity we can give it to the other ones. Next is recycle. If it is possible that we can reuse the things, we can recycle this. That is a good option, and many types of materials can be recycled like paper, metals, electronics, and on recycling the new products will be formed from these materials. Next is the landfill is the last option where we keep the non-biodegradable waste, and it is least environment friendly, and because it will leads to pollution. After this, there are some hazardous waste are also there, like pesticides, household cleaners, paint residues, electronics, and pharmaceuticals. Okay, and what we can do, we should not throw these the trashes of these items with the common waste of our home, because there is a special method should be followed to dispose these waste. And it is a old saying that cleanliness is next to guidelines, because if we follow the cleanliness, that will not benefits a person, that will benefit the society and the country too. And we can develop the habits of cleanliness from the early age, because whatever we learn in our childhood, that will last with us till our life. So after this, a fact zone is given that shows that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or the Clean India Mission was officially launched by our. So next is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India Mission was launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 2 October 2014. Okay, at Rajghat, and the main or the motive of this to reduce or eliminate open defecation. Okay, to reduce or eliminate open defecation through the construction of individual, cluster level, and community toilet. So student, we have discussed about the biodegradable waste, about non-biodegradable waste, and what are the different ways that we should follow to reduce non-biodegradable waste. So student, this is all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.